Hello everyone. Today we're at the Johns Manville Technical Center. We're going to do a mock-up installation using all these great GoBoard products. This is our GoBoard point drain. So it's a kit that comes with a GoBoard utility knife, the 4 GoBoard fasteners used to install or secure the drain to the subfloor, a shower head seal, the riser and drain cover. We have a brushed stainless steel cover, standard. This is the mixing valve seal. And finally, the pre-assembled GoBoard point drain. GoBoard. This is a 3x5, half-inch thick foam composite board. Our GoBoard Wedge, which is used for fabricating shower pans. And for curved installations, we have GoBoard Curb, which is just a thicker version of GoBoard cut into strips for use as a curb between your shower pan and adjacent bathroom area. This is our GoBoard sealant. It's an MS polymer, so it's a hybrid MS polymer sealant. Moisture curing, just use a standard caulking gun. It's a 10.3 ounce tube. It skins over in roughly an hour. Drier climates may take longer. More humid climates, it may skin over faster. So once the sealant is skinned over sufficiently, an installer can start tiling after that. So let's get to the installation. Perfect. Good here. So this floor is perfectly level. So I'm just going to toss the pipe over here, and we are right around 1 5/8. So basically we want to see the pipe come in about like that to make sure it's seated properly. We set our drain in the waste pipe, and we use PVC cement to do that, to glue it to the GoBoard point drain body. We want each edge to be parallel with each wall because we will be referencing this edge to cut the wedges. So let's do a couple measurements here and make sure that we are close. Parallel, and that is perfect. So we are using the GoBoard fasteners to secure the point drain to the subfloor. Okay, so there's our point drain installed. So the next thing we're going to do is install the curb. So we actually have a 60-inch area. So we will use 1 full curb and a partial. So as with GoBoard, we want to make sure to have 1/8-inch gaps. So let's do that, 1/8-inch gap. We also want an 1/8-inch gap between the 2 pieces. Okay, so we can use a straight edge to make sure that everything is good. So now I'm going to go ahead and spread out the sealant. measurements from the wall to the drain, which is exactly 36 inches. So 36 inches, and then I'll minus a quarter, so 35. So 35 and 3/4 inches. 37 and 3/8. 37 and 3/8. So these measurements account for 1/8 inch gaps between the drain and the walls and the curb. So let's grab our first wedge panel. Okay, so 35 and 3/4. We are sloping towards the drain. This is the slope of the wedge. So the next cut is the depth, which is 37 and 3/8. So let's see how that fits. Okay, that looks pretty good. I've got roughly 1/8 inch gaps all around. So let's go on the next piece. So we got 17 and a half. I'm gonna minus a 1/4 inch for the 1/8 inch gaps. So 17 and a 1/4 inches. So I'm gonna go with 37, just under 3/8. Power tools, power saws work great with GoBoard, so you don't have to use a utility knife. Okay, so the next cut is for the width. How this fits. Use this straight edge to mark our 45-degree cut lines based on the corners of the GoBoard point drain clamping collar. Okay, there's our 45-degree cut line. So what I'm going to do next is take each wedge panel out and cut on the inside of those marks I just made. Okay, so next we will cut the wedges for here. Distance on the back wall here looks like it's going to be roughly 29 inches. So 12 inches. 18 and 5/8. So there's our dry fit. And as I'm pressing these in, I'm making sure to maintain our 1/8 inch gapping. Okay, now we're going to seal the joints. So if you recall, we left 1/8 inch gaps between all the wedges at the 45-degree cut lines around the perimeter and around the drain. So we want to make sure to force that sealant down in there. Make sure to fill in all the joints here. Get get underneath the membrane. Extend the membrane out over the sealant, so we'll have excess, and then we'll spread that excess around the perimeter. So we've completed our installation. So just to wrap up, we used 3 by 5 foot 1/2 inch GoBoard on the walls. For the shower pan, we used 4 GoBoard wedges around our GoBoard point drain. As you saw earlier, we have a very easy cutting procedure to cut the wedges wherever the drain is located in the shower pan area. We left 1/8 inch gaps, we sealed all the joints, we sealed our curb. So now we can come in and tile this entire area. So that's it for today. Look for more videos on the JM website.